We just had some real conversation. We were like, yo, this is big. This is a lot.
Oh, it's so much work. I need help. I need help. What up, y'all? Israel back with another video. I am currently at this point trying to throw out stuff in this house, getting ready for this renovation situation, and my mom got a lot of clothes. Trash. And I'm not excited about it. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not excited about it, but I got to clear out the space. Gotta clear out her room, gotta clear out these rooms, and clear out the bathroom as well, and just get ready to do this renovation. Yo, I'm not a renovator person type thing, professional. That's what the word is, professional. But I think I do know what I'm doing to some degree. And if I don't, guess what? I'm gonna ask questions. Yes, I'm gonna ask questions. Like I was saying, y'all, there's a lot that's going on. Y'all want me to be real? I'm about to be real. Here we go. I've been just calling, getting estimates, doing this, doing that, and not gonna lie, I'm a little exhausted, but I got, the pest control coming here, spraying around, making sure there's no pests or mice or anything that be trying to come in here. Just finished the call talking to a dumpster place, to get a dumpster, to get ready to dump all this stuff out there. And to just have a clean space so we can be able to work and be able to, get things done. So that's kind of some of the things that I've been doing today. I ain't gonna lie, I still need some help. I need some help. So I gotta find movers, gotta find some people to help in this process to move these items upstairs and also to throw this stuff away. Throw it away. So yeah, y'all, that's kind of what's been going on. Not gonna lie. That's what's been going on. A little stressful, a lot of stuff. Some of the clothes I've been doing my mom clothes, putting those in bags, getting those ready to, throw and stuff. Over here, I've been just, kind of cleaning out, all this stuff as well. This mirror, just all this stuff. I ain't gonna lie. It's just a lot. This house and getting ready for this renovation. It's gonna be fire. I ain't even gonna lie. It's gonna be fire. Like the bedroom, we gutting all the bedrooms, we gutting all the bathrooms, making a bigger bathroom, a master bathroom, and then a powder room, and then we put on a bathroom upstairs. Yes, we are. We putting up a bathroom. So I'm going to show you all that whole process because, like I said, I'm excited. It's just going to be a lot of work. So I'll check in with you guys later. I got work to do, and it's so much work. I need help. Alright guys, so this is the bathroom that I was talking about that need to be renovated. This whole situation, look at this. This is a trash sink situation with the trash. Once again, trash. Toilet too small, my booty is too small for my booty. And all this stuff is being gutted and removed. Yo, it's being gutted and removed. So that's one area. This is the other bathroom. Let's turn it up. So this is being gutted as well. Gut. At least the ceilings are pretty tall, actually. Kind of tall, I can't touch the top of them, so I think that's tall, if I can't touch the top. So yeah, no, this is got maybe some foundation issues. I don't know. We'll see when we open up these walls. And exciting, and we'll see how it goes. All that good stuff, y'all. All that good stuff. So, I'm about to go to lunch after I try to close this door.
Alright, y'all. So, I'm in the car right now. Me and my wife, we had a conversation. We just had some real conversation. We were like, yo. One of the things we were talking about was like, yo, this is big. This is a lot. This is going to be a lot. We need help. You can't do this by yourself. You could do a lot of it by yourself, but you can't do it all by yourself. So, and I understand that I can't do it by myself, that I'm going to need help in this whole process. I'm reaching out. For help and other things during this time. So, I'm doing what I can at this moment to try to create. We want to make sure that it's safe for other people to come in. We're trying not to stress out about it, and we're trying not to be like, yo, there's so much that needs to be fixed, but we're like, yo, one thing at a time. So the one thing at a time is, these bathrooms and then the bedrooms. Those are the one things at a time. So Once we demo these bathrooms, actually, so pretty much what's about to happen, I'm getting a dumpster. I'm excited about that. So I get the dumpster, so now we can start throwing away. So now we can start seeing different things being thrown away into the trash can, and the space being empty, because it's just a lot of stuff. Beds, dressers, drawers, lights, all that stuff. We're just throwing it away, because we just want to start fresh and new, and then like clean up, have everything pretty much gutted, the bedrooms and the bathrooms gutted, and then just clean up that area. That's kind of what we're trying to do. Like I said, we had a deep conversation. It's like, yo, do you really want to do this? And I'm like, I think this is the best opportunity. And she's like, yeah, I don't think we'll ever get this opportunity ever again. Not like this. So I'm like, yeah, babe, you're right. I think you're right. I'm excited about it. She's excited about it. We just got to keep making sure to see the vision, see the final results, see the steps to get to the final results, because there's steps. It's not like what they do on TV. It's not like, oh, start demo day, now it's already done. Oh, it takes a lot of time to do all this stuff. So yeah, I gotta go back to Home Depot. We gotta get a few more things, gotta get some boxes and stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll check in with you guys later.
You know what day it is? Demo day, cleanup day, get out this stuff out of my way day. It's actually slightly demo day and also storing and moving and packing day right now. So I got my trusty gloves. Look at this stuff that I'm oh my gosh, look at it. So I'm demoing stuff right now. We took out a lot of stuff, threw away a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys the dumpster outside when we get out there. Right now we are demoing and just getting everything ready to enlarging the bathroom, cleaning up the bedrooms, getting new carpet, taking all the baseboards off, new paint, new coat of paint. Yeah, exciting. Guess who's here with me too? Baby Zooey, go, baby, go, baby Zoo. Baby Zoo is here. She using both sides, babe, and also my wife is here too. She's using both sides to walk down. She out here. You learning how to walk, girl? So yeah, I'm just demoing right now. Show you guys what I got. I'm demoing this thing. I actually got rid of stuff over here, and then also over here. Then also I got rid of stuff over there too. Yeah, I gotta get back to demoing. So stop talking to me, y'all. Stop. I got a demo. Alright y'all, so just finished taking out a bunch of different things. Yo, you see me walking right here? Because there's no table, I took that out. Yes, I took that table out. And guess what? Want to see me walking over here too? Ooh, I took that out. Whatever that was right there. Guess what else? There goes Zuzu and my wifey. There goes Zuzu and Zuzu and my wifey. Yo, this stuff is getting done in here. All right, stuff is getting done, cleared out, spaced out, all that good stuff. We getting it done. All right, guys. I don't think I actually showed you all these bedrooms. So this is one of the bedrooms. We call it the blue room. Yes, the blue room with this hideousness going on everywhere in this room. Let's go to the next room. This is the purple room. So this room is huge. It's just big it looks small because of like the furniture is so huge. So this is the purple room. Then this is the master bedroom, which is huge. This is probably the biggest. Yeah, this is definitely the biggest one of them all. Look at my hair though. I know. So much going on. You're like, how can I follow this vlog if there's so much going on? All right, y'all. So just finished up for the night, but we got rid of all that stuff, and then just walking a little bit. Gotta show you the progress of the bam. Yes, that is the bedroom. The bedroom. Nothing. And this boy, cause we threw it all the way. Yes, we did. We threw it all the way. Look at that friend. Threw it all the way. Yes, we threw it all the way, y'all. And then finally get ready to do some demolition for the bathrooms. Whew. I hope I don't work myself off to that degree, so I don't have enough energy from the bathrooms and stuff. Let me show you guys the dumpster real quick too. This is the now full dumpster situation. I want to get on top actually. All right, so this is the full dumpster situation. Me getting on top, stepping on everything, trying to kick it down, pull it down, kick it off. Yeah, that's kind of what it is, y'all. Yeah. All right, so we're done for tonight. Okay, I'm done for tonight. Tired, about to go to our friend's house, go take a shower, go eat, and go sleep. And do this again tomorrow. All right, guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell, that like button, that subscribe button, and then also comment in the comment section, because I would like to read them. Yes, I did say that. I would like to read the comments in the comment section. So, yeah, I guess until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. Peace.